Getting started in the embedded channel. Now that you've made the decision to go into the embedded channel, let's talk about how to get started. In video 1, we gave you an introduction to the embedded channel and shared with you their benefits. Today we want to talk about how to get started. Briefly though, let's review. An embedded device is one that has a dedicated or specialized purpose. Not a PC, but it could be a kiosk, set-top box, a handheld terminal, anything that has a dedicated purpose. The Windows embedded channel features componentized operating systems as well as license-restricted versions of enterprise products and server, as well as legacy or obsolescent products such as MS-DOS, Windows 2000, and Windows XP. Now, here are the key benefits of the embedded channel. It's the only place to get specialized operating systems like Windows Embedded Standard 7, Pause Ready 7, and more. It's also the place to get traditional operating systems like Windows XP licensed for a longer life cycle. It is the lowest cost structure available for Microsoft. The embedded versions cost less for their restricted use, and there's no loss of functionality. It has the longest product availability and support lifecycle, up to 15 years from general availability. You have custom recovery media, OS, applications, and drivers in one recovery image. And you get access to the support of an existing developer community. If you are new to the embedded channel, there are a few terms that may be unfamiliar to you. OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer. It's the entity that sells and supports the solution to the end user. This may be you, or this may be your customer. CLA, Customer License Agreement. The agreement that must be signed in order to ship devices with Windows embedded licenses. ARA, Additional Rights Agreement. This must be signed if you are using an outsource or contract manufacturer or third-party integrator to build and install the final product. Eval, an evaluation kit that allows the customer to test the product for free for a limited time. Toolkits, a full version of the Windows embedded product. It's required to build the final image that you need to build your products. OPK, this is the OEM pre-installation kit, another type of toolkit used for different products. And COA, Certificates of Authority. These are the actual stickers that go on the device. I'd like to reiterate the rules of the Windows embedded channel. Primary license restrictions. Now they're different from desktop products. The operating system must be pre-installed. You can't use a CD after deployment. The device must be industry or task specific. And lastly, the device must have an embedded application. And if you're using an enterprise product, it must boot directly into the embedded application. Now that we know the terms and rules, let's go through the process. Step 1. Determine your operating system or product. Bsquare can help you decide which operating system or product is right for your project. You can even try out many of the products with a free evaluation kit. Step 2. Sign the CLA ARA with Bsquare. Once you've signed the CLA, then you can order the full toolkit or OPK needed to get started developing. Step 3. Build your image. If you need assistance building an image, Bsquare can help with engineering services. We also offer Microsoft certified training as well as support services along the way. Step 4. Launch your product. You'll need to activate the product key, order your licenses and COAs from Bsquare, and install them. Then you are ready to ship your product. So why Bsquare? Bsquare has embedded operating system specialists who can help you make the critical choice of which embedded operating system is right for saving money and time. The embedded operating system supplies much of the functionality your device needs. So by picking the right OS for your device, you'll spend much less time modifying applications and drivers. Your development, hardware, and runtime licensing costs will be appropriate to your device's sales volume and margin level. But picking the right OS is complex. Bsquare licensing specialists know both Windows operating systems and embedded devices inside and out. And they leverage Bsquare's close ties with Microsoft to get the most current data available for an informed decision. This depth of knowledge and close connection means you save time and money by getting the right OS for your device. Contact Bsquare today at bsquare.com or email us at sales@bsquare.com. We can help you get started in the embedded channel with evaluation kits, developer toolkits, or just advice on which OS is right for your next project.